Samuel Bosman eye abrantia ono ne botaye nyina ne se obeboaboa emaburu nano na ode omo aban Awurade enam ne sa no ntino ohihye adwumadie bia eye afi bia woye a edin eda so eye Power of Worship na ne 4th edition no ekoso ewo Praise Community Church a ewo Adenta na adwumadie ne ede anwomtufo bebre na ene ba adwumadie na se a omo bedan omadoma chede anyame edi ama omo no edi Samuel Bosman eche botaye ntia oye sa adwumadie no eno eno se awose emabunu no edi adwuma chede anyame edi ama omo no omo dan na di ema afoforo ensu ehu.
God gave me this revelation, said there is power in worship. What am I saying? And anytime you worship, God comes down to bless his people with healing and good things. If you locate something you can do, you will go far with the help of God. And one thing to say, me capture all the youth there. They should take God serious. There is more to it. You know, God is a miracle working God. But until you create a relationship with him, you will not know. You think that God is not answering your prayers, but he's a miracle working God. So create a relationship with him. You'll be blessed.
Reverend Woja Afram ono so ewo Word Salvation Church enso so eka emfasodi a ewo osori emu eno ono nso so ede afutu ekoma emabunu ne se ewo se bibibia omo beye bia no omo ebre omo ho ase
nipa bebre adwe ya on say yetumi to nyoma the sweet melodies and your worship no worship is giving out all your heart wo de wakoma mu nyina emerade efri say anunti na nyame bo nipa Awurade bo nipa say on sorry no nya bibi fufuro bia no nyame ama emrante ne mabawa adom no mo problem ne say bebre ni ko wani mu a no mo twom afiri nyame nchen afutu a mede ma yutiri nyina say de nyame de adua mu bia no ema ho so bre ho ase Awurade de wadu achi
enu achi na eja edema Samuel Bosman enso so efa sa akwanya wenso etu emabunu no fo efa tramadon ho esa ka kire omo say omo mbomodin na omo nsuo nyame na omo nya adwumadin enso emfa mbo omo bra
nyame aso na brabo say one fa no one gobo brabo emfata bibi tso omo no tramadon ene de akeka ga bitu omo fo say wa wo ye bibia no wo ba twon efisa nyame mu na do ho be manyame na nyankopon so ehira no anyi abe pe nipa